entity, that is medical termination, medical termination pregnancy or induced abortion. So see, so today we will discuss about MTP, medical termination pregnancy. Is it audible?
बोल रहे सुबह जाऊनी मैम।
Now is it audible?
यस मैम।
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good. See, so MTP, medical termination pregnancy or induced abortion. So what do you mean by medical termination pregnancy or induced abortion? See, write down voluntarily termination of pregnancy before full term. See, voluntarily or intentionally termination of pregnancy before full term. Again, voluntarily or intentionally termination of pregnancy before full term, that is called as medical termination pregnancy or induced abortion. Clear? See, so what do you mean by MTP? And MTP means induced abortion, that means voluntarily termination of pregnancy before full term. So before full term means, as we know that the pregnancy that is 9 months. 9 months. Clear? So before full term means before 9 months, termination of pregnancy is called as MTP, medical termination pregnancy or induced abortion. Abortion means what? You know, avoid unwanted pregnancy. So voluntarily or intentionally, माने जनकर इच्छा थाए कि जदि से pregnancy को avoid करिवो, that is called as MTP. Clear? Voluntarily means what? Under our control. Under our control. Clear? So voluntarily or intentionally termination of pregnancy. Termination of pregnancy means to you know, avoid unwanted pregnancy before full term. Before full term. Before full term means what? 9 months. Full term means what? 9 months. So जदि 9 मास पूर्वरु जने अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसी को अवॉइड करिया पय चाहूची, द प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज एमटीपी. से प्रोसेस को कोन कहउछन रे? मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन प्रेगनेंसी और इंड्यूस्ड अबॉर्शन. क्लियर? What is medical termination pregnancy or induced abortion? Again I repeated, listen. Voluntarily or intentionally termination of pregnancy before full term is called as MTP or induced abortion. So before full term means what? Before full term means, as we know that full term means what? 9 months. That means your gestation period. तो आमर नॉर्मली gestation period गोटे pregnancy later केते रहउछि रे? 9 month रहउछि. So before 9 months, before 9 months, termination of pregnancy under the consultation of doctor, that is called as MTP or induced abortion. Here that is called as induced abortion or medical termination pregnancy. Then see, what is the reason behind this medical termination pregnancy? As it is totally illegal. You know, somehow it is legal, but it is illegal. So what happened in 1971? In 1971, India in 1971, India legalized this process through strict condition. See, As we know that as MTP is totally illegal, abortion it is totally illegal, clear. But what happened, due to some reason, in 1971 India legalized this process under strict condition, clear. India 1971 legalized this process under strict condition, माने केतरा condition को base करिकी इंडिया कौन कला पहले 97 रे it legalized this process, माने process legal बोली कहला. Legal means what? Under such rules, clear. But in strict condition, केतरा condition रे ही ए जिनसे apply ही परियो बोली के कहले आम central government कहले, clear. Then see, it's the definition of MTP, and here 1971 India legalized this process under strict condition, under strict condition. Then see, what is the reason of MTP? See, first reason, see, reason behind MTP, reason behind medical termination pregnancy. So the first reason is to avoid unwanted pregnancy. Unwanted pregnancy means what? Jahar ki ichha nathibo kintu you know it's due to unprotected sexual intercourse the pregnancy takes place, that is called unwanted pregnancy, clear. Unwanted pregnancy means due to unprotected sexual intercourse the fertilization takes place, that is called unwanted pregnancy. And to avoid unwanted pregnancy the MTP process is done. तमरो unwanted pregnancy को avoid करया पे कौन करा होछि पहले MTP process करचंदी हैला. Then see, the next one is to decrease population. To decrease population means, as we know that certain people due to illegal sexual intercourse the female they will get pregnant. Due to illegal sexual intercourse the female they will pregnant, clear. So what happened, because of the society, because of so many issues, what they will do, they just they will go to the doctor and they take a step towards abortion. Semane kon korchenti pile doctor ko paako jaउचंती आ kon korchenti abortion korchenti. So that is the reason our population kon hochi decrease hochi ki nahi. So the reason is to avoid unwanted pregnancy and to decrease population, clear. Then the third one is, see, just recall the amino-synthesis process. As in amino-synthesis process, I said before that in amino-synthesis process, they will just take a amino fluid from the embryo. Se mane kon nouchundi beta amniotic fluid nouchundi ko to tamara embryo to nouchundi. For what purpose? For the determination of sex. See, in amino-synthesis process, just recall the amino-synthesis process. It has three benefits. Yes or no. First is the genetically to determine the genetically disorder, and the second one is determine the sex. Clear? So what happened through the amino-synthesis process? The parents they will determine determination of sex. Determine the sex. If the sex is female. If the sex is female, then they will undergo the MTP process. Jodi se sex ta female heitibo, then they will undergo MTP, medical termination pregnancy. Clear? So see, again I repeated the reason behind MTP. What is the reason behind MTP? The first one is to avoid unwanted pregnancy. Unwanted pregnancy means what? The couple they don't want a child, but due to some unprotected sexual intercourse, if the pregnancy takes place, that is called unwanted pregnancy. So to avoid unwanted pregnancy को avoid करया पाई they undergo MTP. Then the second reason is decreased population decrease करया पाई. Then the last one is amniosynthesis process. As we know that in the amniosynthesis process the doctors they will take away amniotic fluid and they determine the sex of the embryo. हला से माने से embryo रो sex check करबे male की female. If it is female then the parents they will undergo MTP. से माने कोठी की जिबे medical termination pregnancy or induced abortion को जिबे. So these are the reason or these are the consequences. That is in 97 India government legalized this process under strict condition. से कौन कोला legalize कोला केतरा strict condition को नहीं की because of this reason. First, amniosynthesis, it is very harmful process and it is very dangerous process. Amniosynthesis, it is harmful process and very dangerous process and it is totally illegal process. जदि जने जानू चंती if the embryo is female जदि झियोटा हितो ता कोन कुचिन मारू चंती कि नाही रे and that is called female foeticide. हला झियो मान को मार दो चंती झियो मृत्यु हार अधिक होची कहउचंती कि नाही what is the reason से माने केमिति जानू चंती सेटा झियो होची बोली because of through the amniosynthesis process. And when they will get to know that the embryo is female, they will undergo the medical termination pregnancy or induced abortion. Clear? Then see so the induced abortion or medical termination pregnancy that will take place in the first trimester, that means 3 months or 12 weeks of pregnancy. See, the MTP it will take place first trimester. Trimester means first 3 months, first month, second month, third month. Clear? Or 12 weeks of pregnancy. So the medical termination pregnancy it will take place or it will do or the doctor will consult to the patient, to the respective patient, that the MTP is done under first trimester. That means first 3 months or 12 weeks of pregnancy. Clear? If one patient they will do the MTP in second trimester. Second trimester means it is dangerous or harmful. Dangerous or harmful. Clear? So the medical termination pregnancy that will takes place in first trimester. First trimester, that is 3 months or 12 weeks of pregnancy. 12 weeks of pregnancy. The exact time period is that first trimester or 12 weeks of pregnancy. But if certain couple they just go to the MTP in second trimester, then it is in the risky period. That means the life of both mother and fetus is very risky. दुटे जाक छुआ और मारो लाइफ रे कोन थे पिला ने रिस्क थिबो. Clear? So the MTP it takes place in first trimester or 12 weeks of pregnancy. So see, the benefit side of MTP is the first is to decrease the population. Somehow. Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
देखा जाउची?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Isso foi choide.
So see, MTP is a short note. Again, I repeated MTP. MTP means medical termination pregnancy or induced abortion. What is the abbreviation of MTP? Medical termination pregnancy or induced abortion. Clear? Then see the definition of MTP. The definition of MTP is voluntarily termination of pregnancy before full term. voluntarily termination of pregnancy before full term, that is called as MTP or induced abortion. Before full term means what? Before full term means before 9 months. Full term means what? 9 months. 9 months is the gestation period. So full term means what? Before 9 months. Termination of pregnancy is called as medical termination pregnancy or induced abortion. Clear? So in 1971, India legalized this process under certain condition. Then what is the reason behind MTP? The first reason is to the first reason of MTP is to avoid unwanted pregnancy. To avoid unwanted pregnancy means what? If the couple they don't want a child, then they must undergo MTP. The second one is to decrease population. The third one is amniocentesis process. As we know that amniocentesis process means what? To take the amniotic fluid from the embryo and determine the sex. If the parents they will get to know that the embryo is female, then they may be undergo the MTP. जदि जानिबे कि female कल से माने कोठी जे बेटा MTP को जिबे. So these are the reason of medical termination pregnancy. So that is the reason that in 1971 government legal MTP in strict condition, that means in certain condition. Clear? Then see, MTP is done in the first trimester, that means first 3 months or 12 weeks of pregnancy. If it will be done in next second trimester, then it is harmful for both the fetus and the mother. Due to jango pai kono beta harmful hobo. Clear? Then what is the main benefit? It's not benefit, but somehow like that. What is the benefit of MTP? The benefit of MTP is to decrease the population. Hela kon kurchenti beta population kon kurchenti se mane decrease kurchenti. Clear? So it's all about MTP. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In the next stage, then see beta, what is infertility? What is infertility? Infertility means what? See, infertility means unable to produce So, infertility means unable to produce children after copulation. Clear? Infertility means what? Unable to produce children after copulation. That means after sexual intercourse, if the couple they are unable to produce children after sexual intercourse. Sexual intercourse hela pore bhi jodi couple chua they cannot able to produce children, that is called as infertility. Clear? Infertility means what? Unable to produce children after copulation. Copulation means what? Your sexual intercourse. Sexual intercourse pore bhi that is called as infertility. That is called as what? Infertility. So ତମକୁ ଶୁଣା ଯାଉଛି କି ନାହିଁ?
हाँ मैम.
Very good. Then see beta. So infertility means what? Unable to produce children after copulation. Copulation means what? Sexual intercourse. So after sexual intercourse, if the couple unable to produce children, or you can say your generation, new generation, that is called as infertility. Hela jodi jone sexual intercourse kala pore bi chua rahi paruni, then that is called what? Infertility. Hela So what happened in India, the society that they will think that the infertility it is due to female, due to the problem takes place in female. In India, the society they will think that infertility that is the main infertility is due to female, but it's a wrong concept. Not like that. Infertility also because of male. Infertility it's not only based on female but also for the male. Clear? So infertility, both male and female both are responsible for the infertility process. Clear? Responsible means, you know, there are certain problems in both male and female, that is the reason they undergo infertility. जेहेतु मेल और फीमेल रे कोन होची बेटा किछु गोटे प्रॉब्लम थिबो कि से एदर मेल रहू कि फीमेल रहू, सेति पय से माने कोठी कि जिबे इनफर्टिलिटी को तांकर इनफर्टिलिटी हबो. क्लियर? Again I repeated, see in India most of the people they think that infertility is because of the female. Clear? But it is not like that. The male is also responsible for the infertility. That means, see, if why infertility takes place, if the problem that takes place in both male and female, जदि पिले मेल और फीमेल रो तांकर रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम रे किछि गोटे प्रॉब्लम थिबो, देन ओनली इनफर्टिलिटी टेक्स प्लेस. सेते बेले कोन हबो इनफर्टिलिटी हबो. सो female is not only responsible for this infertility, that means the problem is not takes place in female, that also present in male. Male ro bhi kiछि problem thibo, female ro bhi kiछि problem thibo, that's why infertility takes place. सेति पय कोन हबो बेटा infertility takes place हबो. Clear? Then see, so what happens under certain treatment, under certain treatment what happen, under certain treatment the couple they will able to see, they will able to under certain treatment means under the consultation of a doctor, under the consideration of doctor, they will able to having children. सेमान कौन है पारे बेटा छुआ है पारे बो. Clear? If the treatment is not appropriate for them, जदि सेमान को पाए treatment appropriate हैला नहीं, then what happen? As I said before in the first class that there is a technologies for the infertility parents. Clear? There is a technology for the infertility parents, that is there is a technology for the infertility parents, and that is assisted reproductive technologies. Assisted see. So as I say that there are certain technologies for the benefit of infertility. That means through this process the parent they will get a child. ठीक अछि. देखो बेटा किछि गोटे टेक्नोलॉजी थिबो. मु फर्स्ट कोन कहली, there are certain treatment for the infertility couple, but if the treatment is not appropriate for them, जदि ट्रीटमेंट सेमानक पय ठीक हैला नाही, then what will happen? There is a technology for the infertility couple, that is assisted reproductive technologies, or you can say ARTS, assisted reproductive technologies. Clear? There are certain technologies where the parents they will get a child, they will bear a child. Clear? That is technology. So that technology through which the parents they will get a child, that is called as assisted reproductive technologies. तमरो जो टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज करी कोन हो बेटा इनफर्टिलिटी कपल जेते बेले से माने चाइल्ड बियर करबे, और यू कैन से दैट दे हैव द एबिलिटी टू बियर द चाइल्ड, that is called as assisted reproductive technologies. Clear? जो टेक्नोलॉजी द्वारा इनफर्टिलिटी कपल दे आर एबल टू बियर ए चाइल्ड से माने कोन करे बेटा चाइल्ड बियर करि परिबे that is called as your assisted reproductive technologies. Clear? Then see what are the assisted reproductive technologies. So the first assisted reproductive technologies is what? The first assisted reproductive technologies is IVF. IVF means what? In vitro fertilization. See, IVF. Clear? As I think you know about, you just hear the name, that is IVF, in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization means what? See, beta, when the fertilization that takes place, see, fertilization takes place outside the body See, what is in vitro fertilization? Fertilization takes place outside the body under similar condition to that of the body. Clear? See, again I repeated, what do you mean by IVF? IVF means in vitro fertilization. Fertilization takes place outside the body. Fertilization code takes place above body ro outside rabo under similar condition. Under similar condition means similar condition that of the body. Mane see, fertilization takes place outside the body. That means kon beta fertilization outside body ro bahare habo, kintu kon habo the condition, that means the environment is similar to that of the body. तम बॉडी रे जो एनवायरनमेंट रहूची फर्टिलाइजेशन, दैट मींस लैबोरेटरी रे भी से एनवायरनमेंट रे ही से माने फर्टिलाइज करिवे, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इन विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशन. क्लियर? व्हाट इज इन विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशन? अगेन आई रिपीटेड, इन विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशन मींस fertilization takes place outside the body. Fertilization takes place outside the body under similar condition to that of the body. Outside the body रे हबो, but the condition is like that body. तम body जो condition रहउची बेटा से condition ही laboratory माने से environment ही laboratory रे हबो, but the only difference is that fertilization takes place outside the body, that is called as IVF, in vitro fertilization. Clear? So see, in vitro fertilization there is a program is there, that means there is a method is there, that is what? Your test tube see, try to understand the assisted reproductive technologies. Clear? If you will able to understand this process, then you are able to write down this all these things in your own way. एटा बुझिबक चेष्टा करो पहिले केतल तुम बुझी पारिबो तुम निजे निजे लेखिया को ट्राई कर पारबो. इट्स एन इजी प्रोसेस. क्लियर? सी, so in IVF next we will study about what? Your test tube method. Clear? So what happened in test tube method? As I said that to, you know, it's a technology used for the infertility purpose. Clear beta? कौन पे यूज हबो? infertility को avoid करिया पई, तो it is benefit for the infertility couple. Clear? So what happened? Why? What is the reason of infertility? If the problem that may takes place in both male and female, यदि male रो किछि problem थिबो, then female रो किछि problem थिबो, then कोन हो बेटा say infertility हेबे. Then to avoid infertility, that is the technology is what? Assisted reproductive technologies है ना. Then see, in IVF the test tube method, what happened? suppose this is the female and this is your male. Clear? This is female and this is male. So what happened? The ova will take the ova will take from the donor. Donor means what? They donate korchi ta kon question the donor question. So here in this case ova ke donate korchi? Female. That's why it is the donor. Clear? Then the male, it will donate the sperm. Clear? See, try to understand. The female, it is called as donor cause it donate ova. Clear? The male, it donate what? Sperm. Clear? So what happened? The doctors, they will take both the male and sperm and they will fertilize the ova and sperm in laboratory. In what? In laboratory. Clear? In laboratory, they will fertilize the ova and sperm, then they will produce the zygote. First, try to understand up to this. Clear? See, from the male, they will take the ova, and from the female, they will take the what? Sperm. Then both ova and sperm, they will fertilize in the external environment, and they produce what? Zygote. So, man, kon formation kore beta? Zygote formation kore. See, then what will the next step after formation of or after the production of zygote? Then see. Then see beta. So what happened after the formation of zygote? After the formation of zygote, so after the zygote formation, the transformation or the transfer process takes place. So the second step is what? Transfer. Transfer of zygote. What? Transfer of zygote. So the transfer of zygote, that will take place in two process. The first one is your gift. Then the first process is your gift, and second one is IUT. IUT means, see, what is the abbreviation of gift? Gift, zygote, intra-fallopian transfer, and intra-uterine transfer. Intrauterine transfer. See, so after the formation of zygote, then the next process is the transfer of zygote. Clear? So the transfer of zygote process, the transfer of zygote process, that will take place in two methods. So apni ketna method hoba beta? Duta method hoba. The first one is your gift, and the second one is the one is gift and another is IUT. So what is the abbreviation of GIFT? GIFT, zygote intra-fallopian transport. Zygote intra-fallopian transport, and the IUT means intrauterine transport. Clear? So see, try to understand when the zygote is formed. So see, when the zygote is formed, the zygote, as we know that the zygote, it must undergo the cleavage process. Cleavage process means what? The division of cell within the zygote. Clear? Cleavage means what beta? Division of cell within the zygote, that is called as cleavage process. So as the zygote undergo cleavage process, when the, see, just recall the thing, this is your zygote, and as I said before, cleavage means what? The division of cell. Clear? So mane pakao, एमिति को डायग्राम करथिली मु 1 2 3 4 हला, and each cell is called as your blastomere. Each cell is called as your blastomere, and the process is called cleavage process. Cleavage means what? Division of cell within the zygote. Clear? So see, when the gift process takes place, when the zygote that produce, see beta, when the zygote produce 8 blastomere, When the zygote they will divide and produce 8 blastomere, that means up to 8 blastomere stage, that zygote that insert into the fallopian tube of the female. So see, what is IVF? Fertilization takes place in the laboratory. See, fertilization takes place in the laboratory within the same environment, and after fertilization, when the zygote is formed, that zygote will insert into the fallopian tube of the female. Clear? So see, again I repeated, beta. ZIP means what? Zygote intrafallopian transport. What? Zygote intrafallopian transport. Clear? So see, what happened? As we know that in the first process we will get the zygote. First process में कौन पाइले बेटा? Zygote पाइले. So when as we know that after fertilization the zygote that will start divide. Zygote जो cell अच्छी that will divide. Clear? And that process is called what? Cleavage process. So when the zygote that will divide and produce 8 blastomere then what happened? That zygote having 8 blastomere that will insert into the fallopian tube of the female. Then what? As we know that zygote fallopian tube gala female ta kon hobo re implantation process start hobo, then se female ta kon hobo pregnant hobo ki nahi. So infertility aur rahila ki nahi, that means they have the ability to produce a young one after the ZIP process. Clear? See, zygote intrafallopian transport, that means the zygote that insert into the fallopian after the formation of 8 blastomere. Clear? Then see, what is intrauterine transport? In intrauterine transport, more than, if the zygote divide and produce more than 8 blastomere, then that will insert into the uterus of the female. Then that, see, that will insert into the uterus of the female. And that is called as intrauterine transport. That is called as what? Intrauterine transport. Clear? See, again I repeated. What about assisted reproductive technologies? The first one is your IVF. Clear? So IVF, what happens in the IVF? IVF means what, beta? In vitro fertilization. So in vitro fertilization, what is the definition of in vitro fertilization? The definition of in vitro fertilization is what? Fertilization takes place outside the body, but the environment is similar to that of the body. Clear? Fertilization outside habo, किंतु environment टा कौन हबो? तमो female body रे जहाँ भी environment रोची same to कौन रहो बेटा? Laboratory रहो. Clear? So in IVF there is a method, that is test tube method. So what happened in the test tube method? First, in the test tube method, see, this one is your female and this one is your male. So the female that will give the ova, and the male that will give the sperm. So what happened? The doctors, they will take both the male and sperm and ova. Then they will fertilize the sperm and ova in the laboratory. And what happened after fertilization? There is formation of zygote. Kon formation of beta? Zygote formation hobo. Clear? So what happened after the formation of zygote? After the formation of zygote, there is a transfer method. Two types of transfer method is there. The first one is your ZIP and the second one is your IUT. So ZIP means what? Zygote intrafallopian transport. IUT means what? Intrauterine transport. Clear? So see, when the zygote that will divide, as we know that the division of cell within the zygote, that is called as what? Cleavage process. And in the cleavage process, there is a formation of the division of cell, and each cell is called as blastomere. तम क्लीवेज रे जो सेल गुडा को बाहर उची ता कौन कहबे बेटा? ब्लास्टोमियर कहबे. क्लियर? So when the zygote that having 8 blastomere, then this zygote will transfer into the fallopian tube of the female. जदि zygote टा 8 blastomere हैला, then कौन हबो तांकर? से 8 blastomere zygote टा 8 blastomere having करथो ता देह रे थिबो, then it transfer into the fallopian tube of the female, that is called as ZIP. ZIP means what? Zygote intrafallopian transport. Then see, Intrauterine transfer means more than 8 blastomere. When the zygote having more than 8 blastomere, it will insert into the uterus of the female. That is called intrauterine transfer. Clear? So this is the test tube method. ता कौन कोई बेटा test tube method कोई बे? What is the reason it is called test tube? Because in the laboratory the fertilization takes place within the test tube. Fertilization कोठी हो test tube रहबो, that is called as test tube method. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
को doubt लाउथ रे बुझाबो ना को
IoT रो टिको किंतु जाउछ
कोन सुना जान मैडम सुनले कोन कहउचंदी
इंट्रा यूटेरस ट्रांसफर किंतु होदि टिको जन
कोन कहउचंदी अच्छा हो आउथरे कहि दोछ ना देखो
IoT विषय कहि दे
हां हां कहि देबी देखो See, first this one is your female, this one is female, and this is male. This is female and this is male. Clear? So in IVF, what happened? Fertilization takes place outside the body. So the doctors, they will take ova from the female, and so as the female they what they will give ova. That's why they are called as donor. Kaun कह जे बेटा donor कह जेबो. Clear? So the female that will donate ova and the male that will donate sperm. Clear? So what happened in they will take, and in a laboratory within the test tube. So test tube re कौन कराबो? In the laboratory within the testis the fertilization takes place. The ova and sperm, they will fertilize and they will form zygote. Seman कौन formation करबे? Zygote करबे. Up to this clear? Then see what will happen after the formation of zygote. After the formation of zygote, so जेतरे zygote हैला तापरे कौन बेटा से zygote either का गुने आबो female दे गुने आजबो. But why it will take in the female body? Because the female they will get pregnant and they will take care of the zygote. काहे कि फीमेल पाखु नि आबो ना, फीमेल टा जायगो नेला पर ता कोन करबो? नरिशमेंट द प्रॉपर केयर करबो. ठीक अछि? Then see, after the formation of zygote there is a method. The next step is what? Your transfer of zygote. Clear? So the transfer of zygote that is takes place in two methods. The transfer of zygote that will takes place in two methods. The first one is your GIFT. The first one is your GIFT and the second one is IUT. Clear? GIFT means what? Zygote. See, GIFT means what? Zygote intra. See, so GIP means zygote intrafallopian transfer, then IUT means intrauterine transfer. Clear? So see what happens in GIP and what happens in IUT. Clear? So see, as I said before, what do you mean by cleavage? Cleavage means what? The division of cell. After fertilization that cleavage process will take place. Fertilization पर कौन होची बेटा? Cleavage process होची, and cleavage means what? The division of cell within the zygote. है ना? Zygote रे जो cell division होची, and in the cell division there is a formation of cell that is कितना number? First 2 होची, then 4, then 8, then 16, then 32, then the last one is what? 64. Clear? And each cell is called as what? Blastomere. Each cell is called as what? Blastomere. Clear? So see what happens. Each cell is called as what? Your blastomere. कौन कहते बेटा ताको blastomere कहते? So see, what is the difference between ZIPT and IUT? What is the difference between ZIPT and IUT? So in the ZIP process, what happened when the zygote that having it like those देखो, see in ZIP process, when the zygote having 8 blastomere, that zygote will transfer into the fallopian tube of the female. That is called a zygote. Intrafallopian transfer means what? The zygote will insert into the fallopian tube. Clear? Next, so what is IUT? IUT means what? Intrauterine transport. So intrauterine transport, what happened when the zygote having more than 8 blastomere? When the zygote having more than 8 blastomere, that will transfer into the uterus of the female. That will transfer into the uterus of the female. That is called as IUT process. Clear? So in zygote intrafallopian transport, 8 blastomeres are transferred into the fallopian tube of the female, whereas in intrauterine transport, more than 8 number of blastomere, if the zygote having, जदि गोटे जाइगोट 8 रु अधिक ब्लास्टोमियर धरिथिबो, देन सेटा कोडी ट्रांसफर होबो यूटेरस को. इफ द जाइगोट हैविंग एक्जैक्ट 8 number of blastomere, then that will transfer into the fallopian tube. Try to understand. If the zygote having 8 blastomere, then it will transfer into the fallopian tube of the female. If the zygote having more than 8 blastomere, then that will transfer into the uterus of the female, and that is called as intrauterine transport, and this is called as zygote intrafallopian transport. Clear? So see, what will happen after the transformation of zygote into the fallopian tube? After the transformation of zygote into the fallopian tube, as we know that so as we know that after fertilization, fallopian tube, the fertilization takes place in fallopian tube, and after the fallopian tube, the zygote that will transfer into the uterus. For what purpose? For implantation process, and it will present in the uterus in 9 months. Kete mas jaye rahibo seta 9 mas jaye rahibo mane throughout the pregnancy. But here in this case, what happens, as the zygote that already present in the uterus, zygote jehetu already uterus re hi insert heitibo, that is the reason in the uterus the implantation process takes place. Bujhilo? Autre kohchi dekho, as we know that in the fallopian tube the fertilization takes place. Fallopian tube ta kouthi hobo, fertilization ta kouthi hobo, fallopian tube hobo. Then after the fertilization takes place, after the cleavage formation, pura 32 blastomere pura, after 32 blastomere, the zygote that enter into the uterus, and there is the implantation process takes place. Hala? So see, here it is in the case of ZIPT, zygote intrafallopian transport, but in IUT means what? Intrauterine transport. So here in this case, the zygote is already present in the uterus. Zygote ta कोड थे बेटा uterus रे ही रहिथिबो, माने uterus रे ही insert कराइथिबो. So the implantation takes place in the uterus. Implantation कोठे होबो? Uterus रे ही होबो. Is it clear? कौन बुझिलो कि नहीं?
Yes.
Then see. विवेक सार आसवे कि आसीगलनि कि सर आज्ञा then see After it, what the IVF, in vitro fertilization, there are another certain arts are there. Arts means what? Assisted reproductive technologies. Clear? So then again one technology is that is GIFT. GIFT means what? Gamete intra gamete intrafallopian transfer. Then so it's all about today's class. Next we'll discuss about the GIFT. Clear? Thank you so much. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can tell me in next class or you can call me for the doubt. Clear? Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.